Hey guys, Jeng here, founder of Travel with Jeng and the creator of Travel Dreams to Reality Ebook. So whether you are a solo traveler or want to turn your family dreams into reality, today I will share with you how I plan my travels, pack, and save money to travel the world with comfort. Sometimes it is difficult to make your travel dream a reality. And in general, the reality is not exactly what you dream as you would like to happen, right? I know vacation is addictive and a bank account killer. Taking a vacation requires money and needs some legwork from planning your vacation ahead, setting up a budget, put a little away with every income that comes in, which hotel to stay, packing, and so much more. That sometimes it becomes so overwhelming and stressful even after your trip because you don't know where to get the money to pay for your travel bills. So I created this 143-page tried and tested how to travel with comfort. So this is a 7 chapters jam-packed with powerful lessons, tips, prompts, and secrets on how to turn your travel dream to reality. Because there are so many things behind the scenes that you should know for you to follow your travel dreams. So you will discover the dirty truths about traveling, the privileges to travel, and my insider guide how you can travel the world with comfort. So here's what to expect. This is a 143 pages of travel planning advice, powerful resources, packing list, and saving money worksheets to fund your travel with comfort. An ebook in PDF format for instant download. 7 chapters packed jam in 13.6 MB file. Easy to follow guidelines and start planning. Tried and tested how to travel with comfort. This is the ultimate book I wish I had when I first started my quest to travel. A 143-page travel dream to reality resource with powerful lessons, best tips, underground secrets I've learned on my journey traveling the world. That's why I decided to create this ebook, plus travel action planners, because there are many things behind the scenes that you should know for you to follow your travel dream to reality with comfort. Get your copy now by clicking the link below this video.